Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to another vlog from Dubai. This is Alekhya. So this vlog is gonna be little different from the other daily vlogs because it's a car hunt. You heard about job hunt and all, but this is the car hunt. So recently Tarek got his license, which is very tough in Dubai. If you guys know or stay in Dubai, I think you would have known, how tough to get the license in Dubai. It's very tough actually. So he got the license, and we are renting the car. If we want to commute somewhere else where there is no metro access, we are actually renting car. But it is again, costing us a lot. So we thought, let's check out few cars because there are so many brands which are not available in India, and we wanted to just go see in the showrooms and go for a test ride. So yes, because Tharak is fan of automobiles and all the car stuff and all. Even I like cars because I like driving, but I cannot drive here. So yes, that's what we are doing today. We are doing car hunt. So we are not sure when we are gonna take this car, but again, let's see. Let's do a test ride. Never know when we will book the car and all, but let's go for a test ride and see as many cars as possible. For sure, he'll drill me. I'm gonna show this place later because right now it's messy. So this is my new home for this is like temporary home. So yeah. Let's go for a test drive. Ignore my face because I have a lot of rashes which is going on around. So yeah, let's go. How's the feeling?
All good. Good mind.
Good?
It's a good car to drive. But hey, we need to drive more cars.
Yeah.
Car market.
Yep. Let's go and do a test drive for other cars as well. There's no particular car actually in this brand Detour. But when we were driving, we saw this car, Detour T2. It just looks like Defender, and we thought, let's go check it out. Oh, unbelievable! This is like self-adjusting. Once we close the door, the seats are like self-adjusting. I'm not like pro in explaining the cars, but again, yeah, this is like, oh, wow! It's like kind of bulky one. It's too good. Taking a break at our favorite place, Sikimar Iced Coffee. It was so tiring day actually. A lot of cars for the first time. We've been to many showrooms, like many. Look at this car, man. This is Honshi. It's HONQGQI. This looks like Bentley actually. Super, man, super. Look at the interior, so just like wow. It's like feels Lux again. Lux in Chinese brand. Best tune. These are the cars I'm actually listening for the first time.
That's the beauty of Dubai.
Yeah.
You have so
I've
many
never seen.
manufacturers.
Yeah.
Oh, this is 1.5 engine.
1 point. Inga 2 point anta?
Even faster.
Oh my god. So this is Best Tune T99, and the one which we tried is B70. Actually, Tarak liked B70. The horsepower is Superman. That's actually 1.5 liter engine. This is 2 liter engine, but they also have 2 liter engine in the same one, B70. It's superb, superb. The drive was really good. Out of all the cars which we tested today, the one which we tried, B70, it was like too good. Yeah. So he is convinced with this car. Yeah, he's convinced with this car. Even I liked it. Actually, we like black color, and the interiors, it's like our favorite color. So altogether, this car is really good. Yeah, compared to Geely, compared to Univ, compared to GAC, and what else? What are the cars we saw?
Honshi,
Honshi.
Geely, and then what is that? Another brand, Jetor.
Jetor is like
Expensive.
expensive, but that car is like too good, and it's kind of a Defender. Yeah. So that's a different variant, but sedans, I think this one is the best. The
For the
drive and
price.
all. Yeah, for the price. So tired, so tired. We have seen so many cars. He tested few cars, and we went to so many showrooms. And yeah, which you'll know later what we have decided. But then we were so hungry. So in Jumeirah we found some place because we follow the local food bloggers, and this is one of the places which we found interesting. The Lebanese restaurant. They serve the best baguette sandwich. So if you are into sandwiches, I think you can try it here. So yeah. So we ordered for baguette sandwich and chicken mushroom pizza, which is like creamier version. I hope that tastes good. But I'm super hungry. Even he is super hungry. Yeah. It's almost like 3:30, and then we have to hog like crazy people. Super creamy. Wow. How is it?
Lovely.
I know.
Very
The
nice.
bread is nice. Whatever they stuffed inside, it's really good. It's really creamy.
And mushroom. Lovely with the truffle oil. Ooh.
Habibi. When the food goes in stomach, that is when you roll on, and your brain cells work. Actually, the food is really good. The fajita sandwich is simply superb. And this is on the woods, which is near Jumeirah village. You can try it if you're in Dubai, and it's a Lebanese place. So yeah, let's go check some more cars. We need to check, and let's go for a test drive again. Again, is in progress. Yeah. So my favorite is dosa with chicken, and the two chicken with coconut flavor in that. It's his mom's specialty. So yeah, he's making that. By the way, this is our new place. So this time we have taken kind of a studio room. Last time when we stayed for 2 months, we have taken a sharing space. But it's been a tired day. We really enjoyed watching, all the cars and also going on a test drive. I enjoyed. He enjoyed very much because he's into cars and bikes. Yeah, that's been it. So it was really cool day. I hope you guys like this video and keep watching. We'll give you many vlogs from Dubai, interesting vlogs. So yeah, stay tuned to this channel. This is Alekhya, and we have Chef Tarak here.
Yo.
Yeah. So until then, bye bye. See you.